got some fulls.
So you gonna call a prediction before the race?
Shit.
What you think? How bad do you think?
6, 7 cars.
6, 7 cars?
You know what I'm saying?
6, 7 cars. Do it big. If you're gonna do it, right? Do it big.
Do it big.
Yeah. Alright. So he came to Maryland and he was supposed to race another car. That car didn't show up. When that car didn't show up, when that car didn't show up, we turned around and it was a twin turbo orange Viper that didn't show up. So then by the time the twin turbo Lambo showed up, he did I guess a little test pit and threw the belt. So we sat here in the parking lot, swapped the belt out, and then he had stripped out one of his clamps. So I had to take the clamp off my Supra and get it off. So we're about to see what's up and get it going. I'm gonna put my cameras on the car, see where we're doing and what we're doing. Tell me that ain't dope. He rides around with it, running on the trailer. That's how he pulled up in Maryland now. When he pulled into the parking lot, he had the car already running. Y'all see that in the video too. The thing's so loud, I can't even talk around it. Oh, you didn't know it was like that? I mean, what did you think it was? Like a piece of shit?
I know. I didn't think it was a piece of shit. I didn't know it sounded like it.
I think your car. Any day after reading, I don't think it was fun when it sounds like.
No, boo. I was doing fun.
That's bad. Huh?
Let it burn up and I got someone big, really, on.
Bro.
Hey, it's you get normal pregnant. It's got turbo on.
It's got a little hair dryer on there. Yeah, you'd say so. A little mulch grinder. Just don't stick your hand.
It's harder than a Hellcat.
What are we doing?
Haven't reset it since then. You got fire suppression too. That's good. Well, you better put a fucking roll cage in this thing.
I am.
Are you crazy? Come on, man. Oh, I like the push button start thing. That's not factory, is it?
What's not
Your little push button start thing?
Stop. Let him do what he's gonna do.
I don't give a shit. Do what you do, bro.
Do what he's gonna do.
It's nice that you tune your own cars. I do too, by the way.
What's the race? 6. Huh?
80 to 180.
80? I thought it was 60.
Nah, there is like 150. You gonna take it?
We gonna do
Yeah,
80 to 180.
I'm gonna let all y'all know now. You see what
That's how
time
you
it
work
is,
your
right?
time.
So dew hits at like what, 4 or something like that. When dew hits this road, you do not want to have high horsepower cars racing. Yeah. When that dew hits this ground, like you see how it's starting to get on top of everybody's car and shit, man. When that shit gets on the ground, bro,
Okay,
that's
so guess what?
yeah, he's way better off. You know what I mean? In his car, I'm not really worried about that. Temperature drop, road's cold as shit.
What's your number?
Oh, 500. He pulled out 500.
Huh? No more than 2 cars? That you won't beat me by more than 2 cars?
Yeah. 8180?
80 to 180. 80 to 180. Yo, my camera, I can put my camera on both cars. They both got GPS and everything. Yeah.
This is done deal with me.
So y'all will know if you hit the speed or not and all that. You started at the right speed.
You said 500? So, we look at that. 8180, 500, 2 cars. It's gonna be way worse than that, but okay.
Yeah. We'll see. I don't know, man. I think we're sleeping on it, but we're gonna see. Hey, you're air water, aren't you?
Nah, it is.
Oh, oh shit, I thought that was air. I was about to say, do you need ice? You should think about that, and if you ain't gonna run the hood, why don't you put a plate in the middle? You know what I mean? An intercooler plate in the middle. Cool. Your intake air temp's got to be crazy in this
One
stuff.
step at a time. Well,
Yeah, I know it costs money. I know that. Yeah.
no. I mean, that's what the method's for now.
Yeah, I know that. I was figuring that's why you got so much of it. But
All right, let me walk my old lady to the bathroom real quick.